If you're looking for premium features at a budget-friendly price, the EarFun Air Pro 4 might just be what you need. With features like active noise cancellation, customizable sound, and multi-point pairing, these earbuds offer a lot for their price. But do they deliver on their promises? We tested them out in real-world scenarios to find out. Let's start with sound quality, which is a top priority for most buyers. The EarFun Air Pro 4 gives you a surprisingly well-rounded audio experience. Out of the box, the sound is warm and bass-heavy, perfect for genres like hip-hop, EDM, and pop. But with the 10-band equalizer in the EarFun audio app, you can tweak the sound to your liking. The bass is powerful and precise, with tracks like Billie Eilish's Bad Guy showing off a resonant bass line that doesn't overshadow the mids. Unlike many budget earbuds, these strike a nice balance, allowing vocals and instruments to shine. For those who prefer a more balanced sound, you can adjust the bass to suit your taste. Clear, distinct, and natural vocals in mid-range. Listening to Adele's Someone Like You, her voice came through with real depth, and instruments like pianos and guitars stay true to their natural tones, something you often don't get in lower-cost earbuds. The treble was bright, but not shrill. Highs like cymbals and guitar strings from Hotel California came through beautifully, giving depth to the music without distortion, even at higher volumes. The EarFun Air Pro 4 offers a surprisingly expansive soundstage with solid stereo imaging that makes it easy to pinpoint instruments within a mix, compared to other budget options like the Nothing Ear 2 and Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. These earbuds hold their own, although pricier models do offer a slightly wider soundstage. Moving on to the active noise cancellation, a standout feature for these earbuds. The EarFun Air Pro 4 offers several ANC modes for different environments. Strong ANC reduces up to 75% of external noise, which is great for commuting and office settings. Balanced ANC is less aggressive, letting in some environmental sound. AI Adaptive ANC adjusts based on background noise, and wind noise canceling targets outdoor wind interference, ideal for running or biking. In our tests, strong ANC worked best on planes and public transport, blocking out engine noise and chatter. However, in a gym setting, background music still seeps through. While effective, the ANC performance is solid, but a little behind more premium models. The EarFun Air Pro 4 has a similar design to its predecessor, but feels comfortable for long listening sessions. The earbuds come with 5 sizes of silicone ear tips to ensure a secure fit. Plus, they're IPX5 water resistant, making them ideal for workouts or rainy days. The charging case is compact, supporting both USB-C and wireless charging for added convenience. Each earbud weighs just 5 grams, making them incredibly lightweight. For gamers, the low latency mode's a bonus, reducing audio delay to under 80 ms. This is especially noticeable in mobile games like Call of Duty Mobile and streaming services like Netflix. However, be aware that this mode drains the battery faster, so use it selectively. The EarFun audio app offers more than just an equalizer. It includes features like My Sound Profile, which customizes sound based on a hearing test, Find My Earbuds to help you locate lost earbuds, and touch control customization to remap gestures. Firmware updates are also available, improving performance over time. At $89.99, the EarFun Air Pro 4 offers great value, especially with features typically found in more expensive models. It's available on platforms like Amazon and the official EarFun website. Keep an eye out for discounts or coupon codes to save even more. To sum up, the EarFun Air Pro 4 combines impressive sound quality, effective noise cancellation, and a feature-packed app, all at an affordable price. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, these earbuds deliver a premium experience without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for budget-friendly wireless earbuds with high-end features, the EarFun Air Pro 4 should definitely be on your list.